Hi guys. All right, my next one I'm doing is quadrilaterals and properties of parallelograms. Okay, so problems we're going to look at are something like this. So find QR in the parallelogram PQRS. All right, so we're going to have to solve for U, and we're determining on that we'll find the side. Okay, so QR is actually just going to be U. So in this case down here, you can just follow my steps, starting here. All right, so U. So I'm going to make the two sides equal to each other. So this side and this side are going to be equal to each other. And then this side and this side are going to be equal to each other. Okay, now RS and QP doesn't really matter for this problem. I'm just trying to solve for U. So I really just have to look at U is equal to 3U minus 66. All right, so if U is equal to 3U 66, I'm going to subtract U from both sides. So that's going to give me 2U minus 66. I want to get the variable on the other side, so I'm going to add 66 to both sides. So it's going to be 2U is equal to 66. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And then U would be equal to 33. Okay. So on this one, my final answer would be 33. All right, next problem here is find WX in a parallelogram WXYZ. Okay. So two sides are going to be congruent to each other. Are going to be this side and this side, and then this side and that side. So let's focus on the two line sides, which is going to be 2b minus 30, and that's going to be equal to the other side, which is going to be b. Okay, so I'm focusing again on this side and that side right there. Okay, because this is unknown, I don't want to mess with that side. All right, so here I'm just going to solve for b. So I'm going to subtract b from both sides, and that gives me b minus 30 equals 0. Add 30 to both sides, and b is equal to 0. B is equal to 30, excuse me. So b in this case, so they want us to do wx, so b is going to be 30. Wx now, I have to plug it in. So b plus 41 is going to be the side that I'm looking for. So if I fill in for b, it's going to be 30 plus 41, and that's going to be 71. All right, this next one, it gets a little more challenging. So they're going to have you find two different sides. So they are looking for ij, be this side right there, and jk, so these two sides. All right. So again, we're going to have to solve for c. So I'm going to make 6c plus 23 equal to 5c plus 24. And let me move that other line over so you can see a little bit better. Okay. All right, and then I'm just solving for c. So I am going to subtract 23 from both sides. That's going to give me 1 plus 5c equals, these cancel out, and this is going to be, bring this straight down, so it's going to be 6c is equal to 5c plus 1, so I'm going to subtract 5c from both sides. And that's going to be c is equal to 1. Okay. So I know that c is equal to 1. Excuse me, I'm looking for, again, ij. So I'm looking for this one right there. So I'm just going to fill in 1 for c. So 5 times 1 plus 24. It's going to be 5 plus 24. And that's going to equal 29. So this side right there is going to be 29. And now I need to solve for this other side right there, this unknown. Okay, so if I fill in 1 for c, it's basically going to be 7 times 1, which is going to be 7. So this side over here should be 7. So this should be 7, and ij should be 29.